The notification about VTU exam promotion was real or fake, guys? Let's see in this video because up till now nobody knows this fact. So let's see this. Welcome back, guys. How you all are doing? I think you will be doing fine right now. Wait, just do not panic about the timeline and this heading of this video that was notification fake or real. I will not create a panic because maximums out there they just do one thing is to create panic and fake news. So guys, you do not need to panic. There is no fake notification. Every notification which VTU passed was completely real, guys. I am just here for two things. First of all is clearing your doubts, and second thing is to assure you that the notification was completely real. Some of my subscribers also asked me that how you can be so much sure that the notification was real. What if it is fake? So guys, I will tell you the notification which I shown you in the last video was none other than my college notification. I have got the notification by myself, guys. So, and my college is VTU affiliated, you can check it out. So you can be sure that if one VTU affiliated college has promoted its student from 4th sem to 5th sem, 2nd sem to 3rd sem and 6th sem to 7th sem successfully, then all the VTU colleges will be promoting their students in some time. Because I don't know why VTU is doing this, like why it is not rolling out such notification. I don't know, like I think VTU is thinking that yeah, I have promoted the students, but let's test their patience, guys. So this can be a matter of fact. But guys, let me tell you, do not panic, do not trust on any such news or like phone calls that yeah, VTU notifications are fake and all, no promotion will be given and you will be like these all things. You do not need to worry, okay guys. You just need to do is that for 1st sem and 8th sem, guys, you need to study. Because your exam will be in 4 to 5 days for 1st sem and 8th sem they will be rolling out the notification soon. So guys, you need to focus on your study rather than these fake news and all that exam will be cancelled for 1st sem also. They will not be cancelling the examinations for 1st sem. I am true to my words and I am really very sorry because some of my subscribers commented that they had flood in their village. I am really very sorry for them, guys, because VTU should think about these students all. I pray for you all, guys, to reach your colleges safely, and I wish if there was some good news for you guys, but for now there is no good news. So for 1st sem and 8th sem, guys, you need to prepare, and for remaining semesters you be sure that you are promoted. Now second important thing which I am going to talk about here is about backlogs, guys. Many of the comments were about backlogs, like I was having a backlog in my previous sem. Will I be promoted or not? Will I have to give backlogs or not? Or are all my backlogs cleared? So guys, listen, if you have backlogs in your previous semester, you will have to give them in offline mode. For example, you are having a backlog in 1st semester physics. So if you are currently in 4th semester also, there is no way that they will promote you in physics subject also, guys. You will be promoted to 5th semester, no worries. But for this backlog subject, guys, you need to give the offline examinations, and it is sure you cannot be promoted in that backlog subject, okay? And one more thing I want to include in this video is that, guys, you all take so much tension and worries. Like I can see in my comment section, there is a lot of chaos going on right now. All are worried. Like there is nearly 100 to 125 comments. So it's very bad for VTU to not releasing its notification. They should do it as fast as they can. And if anybody says, I have called to VTU and they said that yeah, notification is fake, we are thinking about it right now. So just tell them that what is the VTU's phone number. Because even me, I also don't know where to contact for talking to VTU's chancellor. Like I even don't know where to contact, and I don't know how these guys spreading rumors get the contact number of VTU chancellor and they talk and even they get the information that this notification is fake. This is not at all possible, guys. They are just making chaos. You just do not need to get trapped, guys. I pray for you all that you all get passed in your backlogs as well as present sem, everything. But guys, do just one thing for me is that don't get worried at all. Last thing I want to add is that I am right here. I am sitting right here in front of you to solve all your doubts. If you are having any doubts, write in the comment section. I will help you all, guys, because according to me, according to my college, according to VTU, intermediate, even semester students 2, 4, 6 are promoted. We have got the official notification, guys, and we are promoted. And for labs, offline labs, this is also a major concern. I don't know they will do the lab offline or not. Till yet I don't know about these things, and even I cannot comment. But one thing I want to say is that we are having this promotion due to COVID third wave, so that we all stay safe. Then I think there is no need to call students for this offline lab, because it is calling COVID to ourselves. Because if we are coming offline for labs, then what was the benefit of promoting students? We should think about this, guys. But I am not commenting anything on this because I am also a VTU student and I accept that. So guys, wait for the official notification, but keep in mind that you guys are promoted. And trust PK, I am giving you my word that 2nd, 4th and 6th semesters are promoted. If you are having any problem, kindly tell me in comment section. It will be very good for me and for all of you if you hit that red button over there. Subscribe the channel, like the video, share with all of your friends, because all are right now in chaos, guys. So I wish for all of you for 1st sem and 8th sem, best of luck all of you guys. Do well, and for everyone having backlogs, I wish all of you. So taking all of your leave, signing out.